Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. Yeah, ezibuhlungu azipheli for amabhakaniya bafethu. Sipho Mbule will be leaving Orlando Pirates nge-30 June. As from today, Sipho Mbule is like official or unofficial, free agent. My point is bafethu, let's blame i-Sundowns sithi i-Sundowns ayifuni competition, ibulala abadlali babeke ebhenchini. Now ku-Pirates uhlulekile ukudlala uSipho Mbule. Noma adlala uSipho Mbule azange ayinika next i-Pirates. How many assists awafakile ku-Pirates? How many goals awafakile? Abantu bazothi hayi, it's not all about ama-assists, it's not all about ama-goal. Sipho Mbule has been playing vital role kuphi because bafethu uhluleke ukungena ku-starting 11 se-Pirates. From Sundowns uhluleke ukungena ku-starting 11 se-Pirates. Ngiyasibona i-starting 11 uhluleke kuba ku-match day squad ye-18 niggas. Uhluleke kuba da match day squad. Umgcine nini ku-match day squad ku-Pirates? Come on, Sipho Mbule akathathi i-career yakhe serious bafethu. Sipho Mbule is a type of a player efana nabo Phakamani Mahlambi. Bafuna ukuthi sibazwele sebavela lapha kuma-podcast. Ufana nabo bani nabo Buntshumayelo Bhibo. Yababona Buntshumayelo Bhibo. After 10 years umuntu sekana 38 so ufuna ukubuya ku-PSL so yakhala lapha kuma-interview. Ilento ezoyenzeka uSipho Mbule. Sipho Mbule angeke afike ku-35 asadlala ibhola professional. Noma ngathi uyalazi kanjani but angeke afike ku-35 asadlala i-professional football la eSouth Africa. Yabo. Sinawo ama-players eSouth Africa but they don't take football serious. Yazi umuntu makangafuni ukudlala ibhola asho or abuyele esikolweni afunda ayoba i-engineer laphana, uye ukuvela ebholweni mara mawakho awufuni ukudlala mara ufuna ukuba sebholweni. Ufuna ukwaziwa ukuthi uyi-player mara awufuni ukudlala ibhola, ufuna ukuphuza utshwala. Wawungayothola umsebenzi we-9 to 5 Sipho Mbule uzoyenza lento leyo because wena ufuna ukuphuza utshwala. Wawungayoyenza lento ye-9 to 5. Uyekela ibhola, ushiya ibhola ebantwini abalaziyo. Wena wazi ukudribble, wazi ikila, awulazi ibhola, awulithandi ibhola. And ngiyabonga ku-Orlando Pirates for letting uSipho Mbule go. Danko.